In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to start by opening your device's settings. Following that, scroll all the way down and choose About Tablet at the bottom. Now tap on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. Then select OK in the pop-up. Lastly, tap on OK in this one about visibility to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!